This presentation is more of a challenge exercise for you. I'm going to show you the finished file here basically and ask you to recreate it as you see it here based on having done prior exercises using sound. What we have is a basic little jukebox, if you will, with 3 songs. So I've got 3 buttons to trigger the song, and there's a progress bar in each of these vertical columns. The red box at the bottom is the stop button for each of the songs. So if I hit play here, play it in my browser, I'll click song 1, and it prompts the progress bar in the first column to fill in accordance with the duration of the song, and the red box at the bottom stops it and clears the sound. Song number 2 does the same for the second, and song number 3 of course does the same for the third. I would like you to color coordinate them, so each fill should coordinate with the color of the button. Also put your first name and your last name up here in a simple text box and hand that into Canvas when you're done. Now I'm going to show you a couple of things though while we're in here, even though this is a challenge. Let me go back over to Animate, and it has to do with publishing. You notice, actually let me just bounce back quickly to the browser. It's fixed to the left top corner. We can change how it sits inside of the browser window through the publishing features. If you're on the page properties, you can click more settings here. You can also find the publish settings up here under file. Same window. Okay, so down here I'm going to start by clicking center stage, and you have the ability to set it to which axis or to both. So just for now I'll click both and click OK, and I'll show you what that can do. Hit play here, and it will center it inside of the browser just like that. Okay, and there we go. And that's one thing I can do. Let me go back to Animate and show you maybe a couple more things. I'm going to click on more settings here and make responsive, scale to fill visible area, and I'm going to say fit in view. Now sometimes this does crash on me, but let's give this a try. Play movie. Oh, there we go, no problem. And that will scale without distorting. Okay, so that's how you can kind of fill your screen for the most part. And ultimately you could go into your HTML file and put a background color in here as well, but I don't believe you can do that directly out of Animate. Okay, so here we are again, and because these are vector, they do scale beautifully. Okay, so that's your challenge assignment for this week. Create this mini jukebox with 3 songs, 3 buttons that will trigger the animated progress bar inside of each of these columns. And you'll have a stop button for each. And there we have it.